As I am preparing for web development, so I started with HTML, then CSS. So just learning them as a theory is not enough, so I started making project. First learn the HTML and CSS from Shraddha ma'am, obviously. So the HTML took me around 3 days. In 3 days I completed the lecture, then tried to make my own portfolio using HTML. That was horrible. Then I guess CSS I was doing. Then I started CSS. That's okay around, yeah, that's around first, I guess 3rd June. Then I switched to doing project. This project I did also was Amazon clone. So I did that. It took me almost, if you say by day, it took me 2 days. But if you say my effective hours that I invested in that, that's around 8 to 10 hours roughly. As far as the Amazon clone is concerned, the project was mostly on using Flexbox. So as we are using Flexbox, and I was quite confident about that, and I was trying myself to do the things and all. Them for my help, like debugging some codes, because I learned a lot of things. That was a quite 7 hour of lecture. What kind of border that I can remember that I have to check time and again as I do project. This will get incorporated. That's not a problem though. But I added a responsiveness. Website was getting distorted. So my work is to just in the range of that pixel, I needed to do something like setting the maximum width, the number of flexbox that are coming in a one line, doing wrap, text wrap, flexbox wrap, and a multiple things that I did. Then completed. Then I went for deployment. That I did the deployment of the project using GitHub pages. It was completely free. And I generated a live link. Hopefully I will giving you in the description. You can check it out. Next plan I have, I wanted to make a landing page or a portfolio for mine, and hopefully I will be making clone of Spotify, and that's it. I am not going to do more than 3 projects and waste more than 1 week on making CSS and HTML projects. Then I have planned to shift to JavaScript and then React. So I guess that's the whole thing I'm going to do. Why project? So basically, in today's era, certification means nothing. Your degree means nothing. Your skills matter, and how you showcase your skills as projects. And just doing one project, I learned a lot of things. Like there are many shortcuts to using classes and CSS that she didn't taught, but she did use them in the project. And I got to know the real life application of Flexbox, how it is implemented. Like Flexbox is implemented in each step of the project. So why that's how significant is doing projects, not just getting looped in tutorial. Okay. See you in my next video. Signing off today. Swaraj.